Having a mechanical engineering degree is probably one of the greatest decisions I think I've made in my life because it really was a key to just endless opportunities in the corporate space. Um, it really taught me a methodology to really solve problems. And really, when we're working for corporations, when we're in our lives, we all have so many problems to solve. So I learned a great way to structure a problem to understand and really dig to be able to create a great solution. So that engineering background just gave me kind of the key to just kind of unlock my potential and really be impactful with the different roles that I've been in, whether or not it was engineering related or business related. And so, through my career, I saw that I wanted to kind of uh, pivot into more of a business role. So